welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete your history and your cache in Internet Explorer. To start off with, first you need to open up Internet Explorer, and once you have, you now need to go to the top right hand corner and click on the settings cog. You now need to click on Internet Options, and we now need to go across where it says Browsing History and click on Delete. You now have a few options. You want to select what you would like to delete. As you can see, we have form data, passwords, tracking protection. We have lots of different options here. Just remember, if you delete your form data, that will remove your passwords and your login in details. You can now go ahead and press delete. And there we go, that is all your browsing data deleted. You can now close down Internet Explorer and open it back up. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.